So this here is my B2000. You've seen this in a couple of videos before. It's been sitting up because it shreds tires like nobody's business. Hitch the battery back up, and just to prove it, you know, I'll do the age-old trick. I don't know how much gas is in it, but we're going to try and fire it up here. I don't think it wants to start for us, but I'm going to try. Well, there she is. Of course it still fires up. Will it idle? It sure will. Not even that much smoke. You can see how the grass has grown up around it. Oh yeah, she's fine. Yeah, she's fine. She doesn't mind sitting for a little while. Yeah, it's fine. And I bet the AC still works too. Oh, you can see that though. She's running a bit rich. Can we get that on video? Yeah. Choke's on, so I'll chalk that up to the choke being on. It's fine. Smells like a lawnmower. Roll that window up. Yeah, she ain't hardly got any gas in her. But, you know, at the end of the day, it's sat since before I got the Plymouth running. So, whenever that video came out, I probably uploaded it the same day. That's how long it's been since it ran. Just pull that back off so it doesn't kill the battery. And I did check this before, but yeah, she's slinging some oil. Anyways, generally speaking, again, I think this engine is still in pretty good health for what it is. Blow by. 311,000 miles is the original engine too. Well, there you go, 86 B2000. Still runs, even after sitting for however long. Gonna get some tires back on her, and I got stuff to take to the scrapyard. That through a belt. So that's why I'm looking at this thing again. Well, see you guys with the next video.